Most people get this wrong. They assume Econo Pay Advance is just another expensive payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's evolved into a more flexible financial tool, offering fast access to cash, installment options, and spending insights, all designed to help you manage emergencies responsibly. Here's how it works. Econo Pay Advance allows users to request a short-term cash advance or access a portion of their earned wages. Funds can appear in your account within hours, making it perfect for urgent expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected household costs. The platform provides clear repayment schedules, notifications, and reminders so you can avoid late fees and plan ahead. One standout feature is its budgeting support. Econo Pay Advance lets you track upcoming payments, monitor repayment progress, and see your overall financial picture. This makes it more than just a cash advance app. It's a practical tool for short-term money management. The downside: overuse can get expensive. Repeated advances instead of careful planning can add up in fees and interest. The service works best for occasional, planned use rather than ongoing borrowing. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Track repayment schedules carefully. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on advances. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need fast cash or want flexible repayment options. Those with inconsistent income or habit of overspending may face higher costs. In conclusion, Econo Pay Advance in 2026 is fast, practical, and user-friendly, but only when used wisely. Treat it as a short-term tool, plan repayments carefully, and always monitor your spending. Subscribe for honest reviews and practical financial tips.